Hi, I'm Sarah from SewingMastery.com, and today's an exciting day where we start the video tutorials for the Singer Heavy Duty 4411. So 11 means that there are 11 stitches on this machine. So what we're going to do is we're going to open it up and then do a short video on every page of the manual. Everything this machine can do, you're going to learn here. SewingMastery.com has videos on all different brands of machines. We do Bernina, Husqvarna Viking, Pfaff, Brother, and Singer. So check out our website, see what videos we've done before. You never know what you're going to learn. And remember, we do short videos, so you can find the one that works for you. So whether you own this machine already and you're wondering if you are using it to its full potential, are you threading it right? Are you using the needle threader correctly? It has a needle threader. I'm so excited. Or maybe you're looking to purchase this machine and you want to know what it can do. So I hope you'll check it out. There are some things on this machine that I can't wait to show you. Number one, heavy duty means that there's an inside metal frame that really helps cut down on the vibration when you're sewing. And it stitches 1,100 stitches per minute. That's actually faster than most of the machines in our store, which is awesome. So if you're looking for a little speed, one of the Singer heavy duty machines will be right up your alley. So let's open it up and see what actually comes with this machine. So one thing that I did notice that it has is some extra decorative stitches. So the quilts behind me are some of our online courses where I take decorative stitches and use them in a whole new way. We talk about our Stitching Cosmos online course. So if you're looking to master your machine even further, I hope you'll check those out. And on this machine, there's 4 additional decorative stitches. That doesn't sound like a lot, but I'm going to show you how you can use them even further with variegated thread or putting a twin needle on. Yes, you can use a twin needle or double needle, as some people call it, with this machine. So we're going to show you all those things. This machine can free motion quilt. So when you buy those extra feet that you can add to this machine, it is going to keep up with you. So it's pretty cool here. Okay, so first off, I do know there's a dust cover that comes with it. If you're looking for a hard case, that is something you can purchase separately, but it has a handle. It means you can take it places. Now, I am going to kind of flip this over. Sometimes the packing, yes, it's just going to be easier. Watch this. So we're going to flip the machine over and then let the gravity help pull it out of the box. Okay, so next up, you're going to find that there's actually a foot control and power cord right here in the middle. So that's going to be what I'm going to go for next once we get the side styrofoam off. Oh, I love the smell of a fresh sewing machine out of the box. I don't know about you. Is that the same for you? I do. All right, so we have an easy to handle machine. Now, one thing I'm noticing, this is not a heavy machine, but it's also not light. So the nice thing is that when you have a little girth to a machine, it will sit on your table nice. So that is something to kind of keep in mind when you are buying a machine. This would be one that, you know, you're sewing, and like I said, it doesn't do the vibration where it'll like jump off the table. All right, foot control, power cord, that's going to be all in this little guy. We've got some information for like a quick start right here on the bed of the machine. And I believe this is one that you'll go ahead and download the full manual from Singer's website. So if you want to have that on a device or you want to print it off, you can get more information. But what's right here underneath the needle is a quick little like how-to. But if you're more of a visual person, then that's why you're watching these videos. And I can't wait to show you all the tricks that we have our students do so they are a successful sewer. Because once you master your sewing machine, then those projects turn into a much more enjoyable experience. So I hope you'll join me as we start into about 25 plus videos on this fabulous Singer 4411 sewing machine.